Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Snapchat score, right? So let's go into the Snapchat mobile application here and just go to the chat section. So basically you have to create a snap here, right? So just click on the camera and I will just click a random picture here and just click on the next, and after that you have to select as many as person you can do it, right? So for example, you have to just select as many as a person here, and after that the best way is to select, you have to select the celebrities, right? So basically if you select many celebrities as you can, your Snapchat will increase drastically, right? And after that you have to just click on this and that, right? And this is the first step, and I will show you the another option how to do it. So basically you have to just go back, and you have to again go back, and I'll just discard it. So basically you have to just click too many snaps here, and after clicking too many snaps, just click on this next, and you have to create a shortcut, right? So basically you can just create a shortcut, and after creating a shortcut you have to just work you have to just do a hard work just for only one moment. While creating a shortcut, you have to add as many celebrities or as many person you can do it. So basically if you add the celebrities, that's the best thing, because in this way you will not irritate your friends, right? So select these celebrities as many as you can, and after that send it, right? And your Snapchat score will increase so much. So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.